Hi, my name is Moses Goldman. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're going to subscribe and I hope you're going to like it and I hope you're going to comment too. On this channel, we discuss interesting, important issues affecting everyday people. And I hope that you're going to like my channel. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Moses Goldman. I love you guys so much. Welcome once again to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the US stock market. The question is, will the US stock market crash or not? Is the US stock market going to crash? Today, Fed Chairman Powell here, zoom into Chairman Powell. Chairman Powell issued a statement regarding, he did an interview regarding policy, the Fed policy on interest rates, and he's maintaining interest rates at zero. And that is fantastic. Great news for the American people. And the question is this: is the US stock market going to crash? Is the American stock market going to crash? The question is, will the stock market crash? And my answer is simple. Those who are waiting for the stock market to crash are going to wait forever. Let me say it again. Those who are waiting for the American stock market to crash are going to wait forever. Why? Because there is never going to be anything like a stock market crash. Never, ever. It's not going to happen today. It's not going to happen tomorrow. And it's never, ever going to happen. Why? Why am I saying that? The answer is in the spirit of the American people. The strength of the American economy is in the spirit of the American people. A spirit of steel. The American people have a spirit of steel. The creativity of the American people, the dynamism of the American people. That is what is keeping the economy going, and that is what is keeping the American stock market going. And a few days ago, the stock market, the Dow, pulled back like almost 1,000 points a few days ago, and people were like, "Oh, the U.S. stock market is going to crash. The U.S. stock market is going to crash." You know something? No, it's not going to crash. There's nothing like a crash. All right. Maybe you can talk about a pullback, a correction, a pullback, a correction. Fine. It's normal that in times, just like there is rainfall, there's also sunshine. Just like there is snow and there is summer, the stock market can pull back, but there's never ever going to be like a stock market crash unless something really dramatic or something really like a Magadan situation, like a World War kind of situation or something. Even during World War II, the U.S. stock market never crashed, and in fact, it did better after the Second World War, and even during the Great Depression. In the 1920s Great Depression, the U.S. stock market pulled back. It didn't crash. It pulled back. It fell significantly, but it didn't crash. And so the reason why the U.S. stock market is not going to crash today or tomorrow or next 10 years, whatever, is because of the strength of the American people. The American economy is the best in the world, the strongest in the world. American dollar, strong. The American economy, American political system, American economic system, American social system, the legal system, the strength of the legal system, the creativity of the people, the spirit of the people. Land of the brave, home of the free. This is a land of creative people, dynamic people. And this is what is keeping the economy, the US economy going. This is what is keeping the US stock market going. Every now and then, the American people bring something new. Look, a few years ago, a few decades ago, there was nothing like McDonald's. McDonald's came. There was nothing like Facebook. Facebook came to America. There was nothing like Google. Google came. There was nothing like Starbucks. Starbucks came. There was nothing like Twitter or Snapchat or anything like that. And it came. This is the dynamism of the people. This is the spirit of the people. And this is what is keeping the American economy going, the stock market going. And as long as the people remain creative, as long as the American people have faith in themselves and in the economy. As long as the political system keeps going, the legal system, the American legal system, American social system, the American economic system, the American financial system, as long as they keep going and keep improving, the US stock market is going to grow and be stronger and stronger and stronger. Look, in 2001, the dot-com bust, people thought the US stock market was going to crash. No, it didn't crash. It pulled back significantly, turned around, reversed, and made a new high. Same thing happened in the Great Depression. Things went down a bit, turned around, made a new high. In 1987, stock market pulled back. Same thing. Came down significantly, turned around, made a new high. The same thing happened in 2008, 2009 financial crisis, the great financial crisis. You know, same thing happened. The U.S. stock market came down. There were companies collapsing, Lehman Brothers companies collapsing here and there, and yet the stock market turned around and made a new high. In February 2020, the stock market began to come down, began to correct itself. Once again, there was a correction of around 30% or so. And within 2 months or so, the stock market turned around and made a new high. New high, record high, record high, record high, record high. The Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell 2000, all of them making new high. So if you're waiting for the American stock market to crash, you're going to wait forever. Instead, when the stock market corrects itself, buy the dip. Buy the dip. Very soon, the stock market is going to turn around and make a new high. And that's how you're going to smile all the way to the bank. So the U.S., in summary, what I'm saying is that the U.S. economy, the U.S. stock market is never going to crash. There will be corrections here and there. Every now and then, naturally, there will be corrections here and there. There will be significant pullbacks. But if you're waiting for the stock market to crash, you're going to wait forever. The strength of the American economy is in the spirit of the people. The people are strong. The people have faith in themselves. They are creative people, dynamic people, social stability, legal stability, political stability, economic stability, financial stability, the strength of the US dollar, and the power of the American educational system. All these combine to make the US economy the strongest and the finest in the entire planet. The strongest and finest in the world. And so the American economic stability is what propels the stock market higher and higher. The creativity of the people is unbelievable. The strength of the people. They have a spirit of steel. So you can depend on the American people. They depend on the American economy to get better. And depend on the American stock market to go higher and higher and higher. That is why all over the world, billionaires are pumping money into the U.S. economy. People are pumping. The U.S. stock market is the number one stock market in the world. And so people from Saudi Arabia, from Sweden, oil money, people from all over the world, from Europe, Asia, they're all pumping their money into the U.S. stock market because they trust the economy of the American people. They trust the spirit of the American people. They trust the resilience, the power, and the strength and the spirit of the American people. So the American stock market is not going to crash. It's going to, in fact, make a new high, record high, record high, record high. So thank you very much. I hope you're going to subscribe to my channel. My name is Moses Goldman. My name is Moses Goldman. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Have a good day.